When it's time to replace your wiper blades, an authorized dealer can provide you with the right set for your vehicle, and you can install them yourself in just a few minutes. The windshield wipers service position function lets you reposition your windshield wipers away from the glass for easier service. First, turn your windshield wipers off. Press the Start-Stop button to stop the engine. Then, push the wiper lever up and hold it there for at least 3 seconds. The wipers will raise into service position. To remove a windshield wiper blade, press the release button on the blade and lift it up to remove it from the arm. Position the replacement wiper blade above the arm and insert it into the housing until it snaps into place. Now, just lower the wiper blade onto the glass and repeat the process for the other side. To deactivate the function, cycle the ignition on. Issue a command with the wiper lever or drive at speeds above 3 miles per hour or 5 kilometers per hour. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.